I'm actually taking video, so if you want to go through.
Cricket, no, I like the cricket. It's a good time of the year they can learn about insects. Yeah, there's a lot of insects come out now. That's scary.
Yeah, that one's a bit scary.